Just like I did before, I'm going to bring in some lessons from a complete different course. This is a video production bootcamp course that I put together with two other filmmaker friends of mine. And so I'm going to bring in some of the best lessons from that course that I think will benefit you most. It's going to cover things like how to use the camera, how to use lighting, how to use the microphone, some tips for editing, that kind of stuff, so that by the end of this lesson or this entire section, you should feel pretty confident starting to make your own videos. Like I mentioned before with the WordPress section, all of these videos I'm going to just put within this one section. In the course, it's all broken down nicely into different sections, so I hope that it makes sense as you go through it. I'm still going to put it in an order that I think will work for you, but if you have any questions or if you're confused, just let me know. But I'm excited to give you access to a lot of the content from that course right within this big digital marketing masterclass because I think it's very beneficial for you. Thanks a lot and enjoy.